Transurethral resection of the prostate consists of morcellating the periurethral hyperplasic tissue by the help of an electrical loop. The chips that are obtained accumulate in the bottom of the bladder and will be removed at the end of the procedure by the help of the bladder evacuator system. The EasiVac is constituted of several parts. The main part is the filter, provided with a flap valve, which will retain the chips in the container. The valve allows the chips to enter into the container during aspiration, but during injection, the chips are retained by the valve and the filter. The top is provided with locking adapters, specific for each make of cystoscope. This allows watertight connection to the sheath of the resectoscope. Finally, the rubber bulb is connected to the container. Its compression and expansion allows flushing and aspiration of the irrigation fluid. Let us see the usage of the bladder evacuator on a real surgical procedure. At the end of the intervention, the EasiVac system is connected to the outer sheath of the resectoscope. The container and the rubber bulb are filled with the irrigation fluid. The surgeon compresses and releases the rubber bulb, resulting in flushing irrigation fluid into the bladder, followed by its immediate aspiration. As we can see very clearly in this video, the chips arrive at the container and are retained in this latter because the channel of EasiVac is closed by the valve. A small amount of air can be tolerated in the container, providing that it accumulates at its top, assuring that it is not re-injected into the bladder. Otherwise, the washing of the bladder would not be efficient. The EasiVac system can be laid on the table without the risk of spillage, even in horizontal position. The container can be used to send the chips for histologic examination. After emptying the container from irrigation fluid, formaldehyde solution is added. The screw top lid is connected and the resected material is ready to be sent to the pathology department.